In a world shifting towards sustainability, electric vehicles are leading the charge for change. Behind every electric vehicle is a network of lesser-known components driving this revolution forward. These unsung heroes, known as power electronics, manage electricity within the EV powertrain. Understanding these foundational components, such as the traction motor and inverter, reveals their importance. Each part plays a crucial role in efficiency and safety as we embrace electric driving. Power electronics convert electrical power, ensuring optimal performance in electric vehicles across systems. The traction motor is the heart of the EV, converting battery power into mechanical energy. Composed of a rotor and stator, the electric traction motor provides the necessary torque to drive forward. When you press the accelerator, signals are sent to the traction motor, controlling its power output. The two main categories of traction motors are alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC. Synchronous and asynchronous motors exemplify AC technology, offering different efficiencies and controls. DC motors, both brushed and brushless, are essential for specific applications due to their unique characteristics. Next, let's explore the traction battery pack, the essential energy store for your electric vehicle. Comprising numerous lithium-ion cells, it powers everything from the motor to electrical systems efficiently. A sophisticated battery management system ensures safe operation of each battery cell within the pack. Regenerative braking takes advantage of energy during deceleration, feeding power back into the traction battery. At the center of power conversion lies the traction inverter, responsible for converting DC to AC. It not only converts energy but also controls the speed and torque of the motor for smooth acceleration. Inside the traction inverter, advanced circuits manage the complexities of electricity flow to enhance performance. This technology is revolutionizing traction inverters with their innovative coil driver technology. This technology allows for optimal motor efficiency across varied driving conditions, increasing range. The onboard charger transforms AC power from external sources into usable DC for the battery system. Essential for charging, it collaborates with the vehicle control unit for proper amperage regulation. Innovations such as vehicle-to-grid technology are essential, turning EVs into mobile energy storage systems. The DC-DC converter plays a critical role in supplying lower voltage power to auxiliary EV systems. By managing power flow, this converter keeps all electronic components running smoothly. The vehicle control unit serves as the brain, orchestrating communication between all vehicle systems. It continuously optimizes performance, ensuring safety and efficient power distribution throughout the EV. The power distribution unit quietly manages how electrical energy flows to various components. As electric vehicle technology evolves, its adaptability to higher power demands becomes imperative. Innovative approach to power electronics is shaping the future of electric mobility. Join us on this electrifying journey, transforming how we view energy, minimum consumption, maximum results.